Hello!
It is an extremely hot day, but a very exciting one. Over the last couple of weeks, we have building a new foundation for our gear, and today we're going to actually set it up.
Finally.
Yeah. It's the first time we've actually put a gear together, but actually not so long ago, I helped Moongift Gears make an instructional video. So when you purchase a gear, you get that, and it's a full breakdown, exactly step by step, how to put a gear together.
Yes.
All Mongolians should know how to do it, but us Westerners, maybe we don't know. So it's going to take us some time today to put this gear together, but we're going to take you through the whole process. It's going to be learning for us as well.
Yep.
But Zula's dad also knows how to put a gear together, so it's going to be fun. Let's get this gear put together, show you the process, and tell you what's special about this gear. By the end of this video, we're going to have a gear on our homestead here in Mongolia.
Yes.
Let me show you what we got. I don't know all the terminology for all the components of a gear. Your dad's going to have to explain the Mongolian words.
Yeah, exactly.
We have all the things here to put our gear together. This is the center roof. The
Tine.
Tine. Okay, the center tine, the roof, the two poles that kind of hold that up. We have 5 walls, as I explained before. This is a large 5 wall, so it's closer to a 6 wall, so 580 wide. We have 5 walls. We have 83 poles. You use 81 poles for the roof, and there's 2 extra poles. We will show you about that later. We have our door, our roof. We have all our felt, the 6 pieces of felt, and then we have our covers and waterproof and ropes and everything to put it together. So first we need to put the roof in and where we're going to have the door.
Nice.
It's cool. It's got all the ropes attached.
Yeah.
But I'm sure I'm going to have to do some knots.
Good
Bring
luck
out-
with your nuts.
Bring out my knot practice.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, what's next? Zula, you should know. You're a Mongolian.
Door and walls.
Door and walls. But we can put the door on the north side.
No, no, no.
Let's go grab the door and put it on the south.
Okay.
Otherwise, Mongolians would murder me. Mongolians would be very unhappy if I put the door on the north. So it's going to be on the south. All right.
That's the unluckiness.
It's unluckiness. Okay, door. Door. Now, where do you want it? Is it south? You happy?
Yes.
Okay, walls.
Number?
1, 5, 1, 1, 2. They all have numbers. Like paint by numbers.
It's going outside. Rope is outside. Oh yes.
Yeah, you can just tie it here. It's just this one's a little bit different. You need to have a loop here. So when you come with the cable, you can. Better? Blue card. A3. Now, because we ship anywhere in the world, and these are like animal products, they all have to have like special tagging. This is going to go around the wall.
Inside.
So, yeah, outside, and you'll see a little bit inside, so that we can pull it tight, so we can kind of make a little bit more shape and round. gear blue like you.
Oh yeah.
Huh? The door's blue. The gear's blue. You blue. I'm in jail. Walls on. That was kind of like the trickiest part because they kind of flex out. You can make them shorter or longer. So to get the right distance for all the walls so that it fits on the door. That was, I think, the trickiest part. Good that we have a few people here helping out, even our neighbors, which is fantastic. So now that this on, we'll tighten it up in a second. Now we get the middle post tied up and in the middle, tine tied up. No, no. Now all the poles.
Not poles.
Huh?
Unne.
I thought the kids were supposed to bring all these.
Yeah, exactly. They're
Where's
coming.
the kids?
They're coming.
This is actually taking quite a bit of time to actually get everything straight. On the top piece,
It's impossible.
it's possible. On the top piece, it actually has these 4 strings. So once you have the gear up, you can use those 4 strings, can kind of twist it to get all the poles straight. It's taking a bit of time, but we want it to look as good as possible. Hey Zula.
Nice.
Okay, pull us. Pull. How's it going? It's hard work?
Yeah, good. No, that's not hard work.
Okay, good.
Most normal gears come with this as the final thing with decoration on it, but this is a little bit different. We put the felt on, then we're putting this cover on, and then we have one more cover, so it's going to be completely waterproof, which is absolutely fantastic. But it is a little tricky to get everything
Right.
lined up. When you get your poles, you actually get 2 of these. What you can actually do with those is you can actually use these as a decoration point, because we're going to tie 3 of these ropes, 1, 2, 3, around the gear. So you can kind of tie this here as decoration, 1 on each side. Maybe we're going to do that at a later stage, but for now we're not going to do that. We're just going to tie these on, 1, 2, 3, go around, tie it to the other side, and that's going to hold everything down.
Yep. Tjena, ska tjom. 자, 내 거 이런 거라 이. 자, there's enough. What are you doing?
Nothing to see here.
지금 다 됐지 너? 다 듣고 하모?
Yes.
다 됐잖아. 자, 내 거 이런 거라 이.
Looks good. The string, the rope.
Yeah, you know how to do it?
Sort of, I think so.
Yeah.
If it's really, really windy, you can tie this down to something heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Extra support, but otherwise it just hangs for now.
Good, good. It looks ugly.
Looks ugly.
Uh-huh.
Why does it look ugly? Oh, I don't know.
Something like that.
Something like that. Okay,
Great.
gear is up.
Yes. Where's the furniture?
Exactly. And because the door is quite small, unless you have IKEA furniture that you can build inside it here, that's gonna be fun trying to. Many times when they like build the gear, they'll have all their furniture already inside, and then build the gear around their furniture. Much easier. But that's not gonna be the case with us.
Okay.
But really nice.
Nice.
Nice having a taller gear where I can pretty much lean against the wall. I'm a little bit tall, so, but Zula can stand. So it gives a lot more living space. Normal gears are this much lower, so they're up here, so you can't get to the wall. So anyway, nice. Happy.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Celebration time.
Burger time.
Is it okay?
Just kidding. Yesterday we just spent the evening as a family,
Yes.
had a bit of a party, celebrating our new gear.
That's actually the tradition in Mongolia. If you set up the new gear, have to have party.
Yep. Actually, I was asking people, is there a proper like tradition for when you set up a gear? The Mongolian was looking at me and going, yes,
Yes.
vodka.
No, we didn't drink a vodka.
No.
First of all, thank you for a moon gift gear and such a privilege to work with them.
Very, very nice gear. Yes, we are going to be selling these gears. We can ship them pretty much anywhere in the world. These gears are a little bit different than local gears because of the fact that they are slightly taller. The doors are slightly bigger, which is better for us taller Westerners. Plus all the woods have been dried, so it's better for the climate overseas.
Yes.
But that's not what makes this gear very, very special. And the reason we partnered it up with Moon Gift Gears is because if you have been following our channel for a while, you know that we always want to do something that makes a difference here in Mongolia. So every time, trying to at least, so every time we actually sell a gear, we will be able to give an underprivileged family or homeless family a gear for free to live here in Mongolia.
Yeah.
And that is what will make such an impact. So every time we sell a gear, during that process, we will record it and give you a private video and show you the family that we gave the gear to.
Yes.
I think that is one of the most special things that we are able to do. There is still lots of things that we need to do. We still need to do the flooring, some sort of underfloor heating. We need to put a stove in there.
Yeah, and then we need the furniture.
We need the furniture. Hopefully we can actually get some of these jobs done before the winter comes, and it's going to be minus 40 inside this gear.
Yes.
We need to put on, this has one set of felt. During the winter here in Mongolia, that's not enough. when it's -40, you need to have 2 layers of felt. So we'll put that on later. But basically what we need to do is we need to sell a few gears, and every time we sell a gear, we can invest that money in putting things into the gear.
Yeah.
So if we don't sell any gears before winter, we're going to sleep on a concrete floor. Pretty much. So please, we don't want to freeze this winter. Buy a gear. Yeah. So it's going to be an interesting process. We will take you along, show you the setting up of the gear, how many families we can actually help here in Mongolia with their own gear.
Yes.
Very, very nice to do.
Yeah. If you have any questions, and feel free to write in a comment.
Yeah. If you're at all interested in these gears, I will leave a link in the description. You can either email us directly at info@simplewildliving.com, or you can contact Moongift Gears directly and just let them know that you are using the code SimpleWildLiving, and someone or myself will help you with quotations and all the logistics about shipping it to your country.
Yes.
Guys, I think we're going to end the video here. We have a lot of things still to do. We really appreciate you following this series. We love to hear from you guys in the comments.
Yeah.
And we love you to bits, and we will see you in the next one.
See you next time.
Next time. Bye.